Hello everyone, welcome to this short demonstration video on home automation systems brought to you by Nimbles Engineering Company. What you're seeing at this time is a demonstration board to simulate home automation control as put together by Nimbles Engineering Company. On this board, we have several inputs and output devices that make up a home automation system. We have alarms, we have lamps, we have cameras, we also have lights, lamps to replicate or to represent certain appliances in the home. For example, lights, ACs, television, sockets, etc. We also have sensors to detect motion in the home as well. I'm going to do a short demonstration by triggering the sensor and getting an output. This sensor should trigger the alarms in the event of an intruder, or in the event of an intrusion, or event of fire, based on where this sensor is and where it is installed in the home. In this case, we are going to be using this sensor to demonstrate intrusion. If an intruder comes into the home, the smart automation system is designed such that the alarm sounds, the alarm system sounds, kicks in, and the camera starts recording live feed around the home. Now I'm going to trigger the alarm system by causing an intrusion. Say for example, I break into the home and the sensor sees an intrusion, the alarm kicks in. By triggering the system, by triggering again, kicked in and started recording and showing live feed. Of course, this happens real time in the home, such that when there's a fire, intrusion, whichever event trigger is under the emergency portfolio, this emergency unit comes on. The fire, the emergency system, the alarm system, and the camera system work hand in hand to make sure that lives are saved and properties, of course, are kept safe. In this demonstration section, we're going to be demonstrating one of the smart features of the home automation system. Here I have a screen, a touch screen panel if you like, with my configuration for the home automation system. From this unit here, I can control and effectively manage all devices in the home, remotely or locally. In this demonstration, we're going to be controlling several utilities in the home. And of course, we're going to be using our simulation board to demonstrate the effect of this system. So straight away, I go to the control page where I access several areas of the home. I have the bedroom, I have the alarm system, I have the living room, I have another bedroom here. Of course, I can expand this to take care of several other areas of the home. In this short demonstration, we're going to be looking at the living room as the first case. You can put this time. The screen shows a living room. Now, this living room, several utilities here can be controlled from the screen and will be affected real time, such that the lights, the lamps, the ACs, the sockets, everything can be controlled from via the screen. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to be turning on and off the lights. To turn on and off the lights from this control system here, I right click on the switch control from my system and I turn it on to on. And straight away you can see the output there to show that the lamp is on from the simulated board, and of course the change is affected here on the screen for you to graphically see that yes, the light is off. Now I'm going to put off the lights once more. Now by putting off the lights, okay, I'm going to get the system affecting the change I have made. Now I also have several utilities coming on as well, because this system is automated such that the ACs come in when it's needed to come in. The appliances, of course, do come in as well, and several other utilities are on. Now by putting off this system via the human-machine interface, okay, by putting the switch off, by assigning the state of 0 to it, I have my lamps going off. So once I click yes, I have all of my lamps, my appliances going off, and straight away is reflected in the software, of course. By putting off this switch, by putting off the system, this lamps here to simulate the appliances in the living room are going to go off. So by putting this to a state of 0, I have my lamps. Now once again, I'm going to put this on for you to see. Now once I put this on, I'm going to have a signal state of 1. So I'm going to put this on in next 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Straight away I get my device on and it reflects here that the units are on. Alright? And I have other appliances coming on based on timing. I have the AC come on, I have the sockets come on, I have other utilities come on as well. And by controlling, by putting on the switch, putting the switch to on off position, I have everything go off, which I'm going to do very shortly. These lamps here demonstrate several appliances, just like we've said, the ACs, the fan, the lights, other utilities in the home. And all from this switch here, from the control system, by clicking on stop, which I assign a signal state of 0 to, all of the lights straight away, which represent the appliances in the home, in the sitting room in this case, go off straight away. So here is a quick demonstration of the smart home system for living room. One last thing we're going to demonstrate the alarm system. Okay, I haven't demonstrated the fire system. If there's any alarm triggered in the home from this control system, which could be on your smartphones, anywhere you are remotely, anywhere in the world, you could get real-time information. The way is showing us several states that the alarm system is on standby, no alarm triggered. But once we trigger this alarm, we have signal state change here to effectively show what is going on the system. Remote information system via the control panel, so that everything going on in the home is reported straight away to the human interface, which could be on your smart devices, giving you real-time information of events happening in the home. We are using this inputs to demonstrate different events in the home that could trigger the alarm system. For example, glass break sensor, door contact to make sure that doors are closed at a certain time of the day for intrusion, and of course for fire as well. So triggering this terminal should sound the alarm, and more importantly should show us on our remote system here that an event has occurred. Now by triggering the system, which we trigger, we have the alarm sounding, okay, and we have a change of state. Alarm trigger. Now by stopping what has caused the system to get into the emergency mode, returning the system to normal working state, all utilities, all parameters goes back to default, and of course updates the user of everything going on in the home straight away. By triggering again, we get the system once again, alarms are on, and straight away. Now by detriggering the system, we have the system go back to normal operation, real time reporting all of these things as they happen, real time, real life, for you to see. And straight away you can see the alarm system has gone back to standby mode. In this short demonstration, we have taken you through the functions and the capabilities of an home automation system. This home automation system is driven by a device that controls, monitors, and sends all of this information and processes this data to get this system functioning. In our own case, the system here is a PLC. This PLC is the brain behind the control system, the control mechanism of this whole unit. We thank you for watching this video, and straight away we want to say that this whole system was put together by the crew of the Nimbles engineering company. All systems were designed, wired, configured, programmed, integrated by Nimbles engineering company. If you have any questions, we'd love for you to contact us by the website displayed below, and we'll ask you to like this page and subscribe for more interesting videos like this. We are delighted to inform you that subsequent videos of designs, configuration, programming, wirings of systems like this are going to be updated and uploaded on our channel. So we'd love for you to stay tuned, subscribe to this channel. Nimbles Engineering Company, apart from designing and integrating home automation systems and other automation systems, and of course being a strong provider of IT solutions, we also run trainings in these key areas: home automation, industrial automation, IT networking as well. Thank you very much.